To begin, make a chain of 14 like this one. Then we are going to work on the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Go through the fourth chain. You go through 2 loops of the chain and make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the chain space to make them 2. The skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets, those are 3. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. Make 9 double crochets across. After making 9 double crochets across, in the last chain space, make 6 double crochets in the same chain space. You make 6 double crochets in the same chain space in this last chain space. After making 6 double crochets in the same chain space, now we are turning to work towards this side. Make 9 double crochets across, that is 1 double crochet into every stitch until you have 9, the same way we made 9 this side. This is 9. Then in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets, I'm adding 3 to make them 6. 1, 2, and 3. Round 1 is complete. 6 double crochets at the ends, 9 double crochets across, slip stitch into the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, going through 2 loops of the chain 3 and slip stitch. Round 1 is complete. To begin the second round, chain 1. This is where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. In the same place where I slip stitched, make a single crochet. The chain 1 plus this single crochet, those are 2 single crochets. In the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochets into each one of them, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Go to the next one, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them, 1, go to the second stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the third stitch, 1 single crochet, go to the fourth stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make only 1 half double crochet. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them, 1 double crochet, go to the second, 1 double crochet, go to the third, 1 double crochet, go to the fourth, 1 double crochet. In the next 6 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat that until you finish all the 6 stitches. After making 2 double crochets in each of the 6 stitches, the rest of the stitches repeat what we did this side. In the next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. The next 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet. The next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. The remaining 3 stitches, 2 single crochets into each one of them. Then slip stitch in the marked stitch. This was the chain 1 I made when beginning round 2. To begin round 3, chain 2, the chain 2 is counted as half double crochet. Make another half double crochet in the same place where I slip stitched to make them 2. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. The next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 8 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each one of them. 1 half double crochet, go to the second stitch. 1 half double crochet, go to the third stitch. 1 half double crochet, and this is 8 half double crochet. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the second stitch. 1 double crochet, go to the third stitch. 1 double crochet, go to the fourth stitch. 1 double crochet. In the next 12 stitches, we are going to make increases, but not in every stitch. We make an increase in one stitch, the next we don't increase. So in this stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. The next stitch, make only 1 double crochet. Repeat that 5 more times to complete the 12 stitches. Then after that, we are going to repeat what we did this side. Use the pattern on the screen. Then I will meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the round. Then I'm going to slip stitch all round. I'm marking the beginning of my slip stitches to know where to stop at the end of the round. Slip stitch into every stitch across. Make 1 slip stitch into every stitch until the end. 1 slip stitch into every stitch. Then at the end, you slip stitch into the first slip stitch. To finish the round, cut this yarn, then hide the loose end. The sole is complete. It measures 4 inches. You mark the middle stitch following this line. Count 3 stitches this side and 3 stitches this side plus the marked, those are 7. 1, 2, 3. I will attach my yarn here, chain 1 and fasten to secure it. In the same stitch, make 1 single crochet and continue making 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After working on the 7 stitches, I will remove my crochet hook and secure this loop using this stitch marker. Go to this side, go to 2 more stitches this side, 1 and 2, attach my yarn here. Take this yarn, draw a loop and adjust it. Make a single crochet, go to the next stitch, make a single crochet. In these 7 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1, go to the next. 2, go to the next. 3, go to the next. 4, go to the next. 5, go to the next. 6, And the 7th single crochet, you draw a loop. Before you make the single crochet, return this loop to your crochet hook. Now I have 3 loops on my crochet hook. Yarn over and draw through all as a single crochet. Add 2 more stitches this side, 1 and 2. Again, remove my crochet hook, mark this loop, take this yarn to this side, go to 2 more stitches, 1 and 2, attach my yarn here, draw a loop, adjust this yarn, make a single crochet, and this next one, make a single crochet. Now I have 9 stitches across. Make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this 9. I draw a loop, return this marked loop to my crochet hook, and draw through all the 3 as a single crochet. Add 2 more stitches this side, 1 and 2. I remove my crochet hook and mark this loop. All rows are worked that same way. You go to 2 stitches this side, work on all the stitches, add to this side. The pattern is on the screen. Continue working until you get to round 9. I'm at row 9. I have made 20 single crochets across. This is 21, which I remove this stitch marker and return this loop to my crochet hook and draw through all. I'm not going to mark. Go to 2 more stitches this side, 1 and 2. Now I will continue working 1 single crochet into every stitch going to this side. I have 12 stitches remaining. One single crochet into every stitch going to this side. After working 1 single crochet into every stitch, slip stitch to join, mark this loop, then I come to the front here. This 21st single crochet at the front, it is thicker compared to the others because we were crocheting the 3 loops together. I will attach my yarn here. I will make a single crochet, skip the next stitch, go to the next one and make a single crochet. I will count this as 1. Continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch across, going to the stitch marker. 1 single crochet into every stitch across. This last one, I remove the stitch marker, return this loop, make a single crochet this way, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch to join to the front. I mark this loop, come to this side. In row 2, I joined in this stitch. Now I go to the next stitch, adjust this yarn, make a single crochet this way, skip 1 stitch, go to the next, make 1 single crochet, and continue making one single crochet into every stitch going to the stitch marker. One single crochet into every stitch going to the stitch marker. The last one you crochet with this loop. You return this loop to your crochet hook. Make a single crochet this way. Then you go to the next stitch, not where you joined previously. You go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Mark this loop. Work 2 more rows the same way we have worked row 3 until you get to row 5. This is round 5. I have made 12 single crochets across. This is 13. I will crochet this as a single crochet. Then make one single crochet to join. After that, make one slip stitch into every stitch across. I will mark the beginning of my slip stitches. Make one slip stitch into every stitch across until you get to the stitch marker. Slip stitch into every stitch across. When you get to the stitch marker, join to the first slip stitch. Cut, then hide the loose ends. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give me a like, then I will see you in the next tutorial.